What's going on, everybody? My name's Thomas Hobby. I'm a financial coach, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get on the same page with your spouse about money. I'm going to be giving you 3 things that will help you out with this. Let's dive right in. Number 1, merge your money together. If your money is not combined, you're basically roommates from a financial perspective. This is likely to cause all kinds of issues with not being on the same page with your finances, but at some point, you're also likely to have a petty argument about who ate the other person's chips. If your money is combined, you're going to avoid stupid little arguments like that because you know you share everything together. Number 2, understand that it doesn't matter who makes more money. Both of you are valuable assets to your household, your family, and each other. Remember that you own everything together and you vowed to take care of each other and have each other's backs. If you make less money, make sure that you thank your spouse often for working so hard to help you support the family. If you make more money, make sure you also thank your spouse for working as hard as they do to help bring in income to support the family. And coming in at number 3, talk about money often. Make sure that you don't fight about it, you talk about it. If you're talking about it frequently, it will be so much easier to avoid money fights. If only one of you handles the finances in your relationship, stop immediately. Include your spouse, or if you're the one who's not included, make sure you ask to be included. Make sure that you're scheduling a time each month to do a budget together. This is going to make sure the two of you are unified in your decisions about money, and it's really going to help eliminate a lot of money fights. If you need help working through any of this, or building a budget, or figuring out how to get on the same page with your spouse in terms of money, make sure that you reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.